oras na? 10:40. Then we have our radio on. Our party radio. This is Kenneth driving from Nasugbu. From Nasugbu. This is our financer, one swipe, pay later. That's Andrew and Miko, but you cannot see them. This is Reg with the dinner with us.
And then apple pie for her mom.
And this is me, yours truly, just like Ronnie Baron having his own show. Let's give him a round of applause. A round of applause. A round of palakpak kayo, round of applause. Round of applause. Umiikot yung camera. A round of applause. This is Brian Saway from Project 2 Quezon City, and I'm the man.